High wind warning for the following counties in Florida: inland northern Brevard, inland southern Brevard, mainland northern Brevard, mainland southern Brevard, northern Brevard barrier islands and southern Brevard barrier islands. High wind warning in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Cold weather advisory remains in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. What? For the high wind warning, northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. For the cold weather advisory, very cold wind chills as low as 27 expected. Where? Coastal Indian River, coastal St. Lucie, inland Indian River, inland Martin, inland northern Brevard, inland St. Lucie, inland southern Brevard, mainland northern Brevard, mainland southern Brevard, northern Brevard barrier islands, Okeechobee, and southern Brevard barrier islands. When? For the high wind warning, until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. For the cold weather advisory, from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Sporadic power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside. Freeze water.